Sanchi and I'm a freshman at the Georgetown College at Georgetown University. I got into the college undecided, but I plan to major in economics with a minor in something I don't know yet. This semester, I'm taking classes virtually from my hometown, and I'm taking 5 classes, which totals up to 15 credits. The classes I'm taking this semester are a writing and culture class, an Ignatian seminar, which comes under theology, a history World War II class, an economic stats class, and a corporate finance class. This week, I'm going to be documenting my first week of college, sharing my experiences as a new student in this virtual environment about my classes, my professors, and the new student orientation that happened just a few days ago. Welcome to day 2 of my first week of college. Today, I'll be talking about the new student orientation. It spanned over 4 days, and the way it was done was that all the freshmen were allotted into groups of 10 with an orientation advisor with whom they'd meet frequently to learn more about the university and what goes on in a student's life. One of the events I attended, which I loved the most, was the convocation, which happened on the second day, which is where in real life, what would happen was that all freshmen and faculty get together, they wear their graduation and academic robes and welcome students to the university. However, that was virtual this year, which was pretty sad. But everything else was amazing. My orientation advisor was pretty accessible. She was very chill. We had discussion panels on various different things. And we also had interest groups at the end of the orientation where people with similar interests came together and talked about what they liked. And it was just a fun way of getting to know more people and network yourself in this virtual environment. So I absolutely loved it. Welcome to day 3 of my first week of college. Classes have officially started and my sleep schedule is messed up. I have classes 5 days a week from Monday to Friday, and Thursday is my heaviest day with 3 classes back to back. Although professors have been providing asynchronous class lectures, I still like to attend the in-person lectures because then I can ask my doubts as soon as they come into my mind. My classmates and professors have been really understanding of the situation because being 9.5 hours ahead of Eastern Time is no joke. I'm honestly loving being back to normal and working and being productive again after 7 months of lockdown. And although it is tiring and the workload is just killing me at times, I'm still loving every bit of my classes. Welcome to day 4 of my first week of college. Today we'll be talking about clubs and activities at Georgetown. At Georgetown, club culture is huge and people take part in so many clubs. It's amazing. Freshmen take from anywhere between 2 to 3 clubs and participate in them till even their senior years. But because this semester is online, it's becoming hard to participate in the clubs. It is not feasible to be up at night for your club meetings and everything. So I'm only going to be participating in one club, which is the GU South Asian Society, which is basically more of a community, and they have fundraisers and they have charity events, and they host one of the biggest events at Georgetown is called Rangila, which has amazing dance performances and food and everything. So it's an amazing fest kind of thing. So I'm looking forward to how it'll be organized online this year, but I'm pretty excited for the clubs. Welcome to day 5 of my first week of college. Today we will be talking more about my classes, professors, and my peers. So, my professors have been immensely helpful because even if I'm not free during their office hours or if they're pretty late into the night, then they send me timings which are pretty early for them in the morning, but they still make time for me outside of their office hours, which I really appreciate. My TAs have also been immensely helpful, and most of their hours are spread across the week, so it's better for me if I have a class at one time and I cannot attend one recitation session, then I can go in the other one over the week. So that's pretty good. My peers have also been pretty helpful. I've been working on some group projects, and I also discuss my homework and stuff like that with them before submitting. I think that's helpful in a way to get to know your classmates better, so I'm enjoying that. One thing that I really like is that my theology professor, every day before coming to class, she's gonna ask us to give our weather check to her for the day, and she's gonna ask us why we're sad or why we're stressed. And I think that just really motivates me, and that also uplifts my mood in the class. So I'm loving college this way. Welcome to day 6 of my first week of college. Today we'll be talking about the activities Georgetown has been promoting in order to make people get to know each other and so that freshmen feel closer as a class. So a few days back they started these Netflix party movie nights, which I think is pretty amazing because it's just like you're sitting with your classmates and watching a movie while you can talk to them. So that's pretty amazing. And apart from that, they're also hosting these speed dating activities where they have a Zoom session and they just put you into breakout rooms with a random person. So it can be completely awkward at first, but honestly after the initial awkwardness is gone, it's a very nice way to make new friends. So I'm pretty happy about that. And welcome to the last day of my first week of college. An update, I have dropped my finance class because it was too stressful and it was a higher level class, so I could not cope up with it because there were no freshmen in that class. So I will only be continuing with 4 classes this semester. I've also come to realize that Zoom fatigue is real. Like, even if I have one class for an hour or something, after that I need to shut my eyes and relax. And it's super weird because I didn't think that online classes would be tiring because you're at your home and you can just shut off your camera and eat or drink whatever you want and nobody can judge you. But it is real for sure. Just staring at a screen is not the same as being in a classroom, which is something I really feel bad about, that I am missing that experience this semester. So hopefully we can all go to college next semester. Apart from that, I have also come to realize the importance of time management. It is crucial because there are just tons of assignments and readings and problem sets and homeworks to submit that if you're not on track, you will someday lose it like I did. So it's important to know what you're doing when you're doing. And I would suggest making a calendar. So Georgetown students have this Instagram page called the Hoya Way, where they just give life hacks to being a student in the college. So I just use their techniques on how to stay focused and how to be on track with everything that you have in your subjects. That being said, thank you so much for watching my videos over this one week, and I hope you enjoyed it.